welcome back to our channel. Today we just download a new game and the game
Name is My Playhome Plus.
Yeah, and this game is pretty fun.
And today we are making the rainy day. The video is about the rainy day. That's the name of it.
Don't mind the TV. They got Play-Doh.
Oh wow. That's just fish. Stop the music, it's too loud.
Oh no, it's raining.
Wait, really? Let's
Yeah.
see. Come on, let's go.
Oh no.
Wait, that. Okay, no, okay.
There's a bee. Let's go back inside.
Wait for me.
Mommy, we are all wet from the rain. Can you give us a towel? Can we go grab the towel? Never mind, we'll go to the bathroom.
Okay. Come on, let's go.
No,
Don't worry, we can bring them later. Oh my god, they are still wet.
we haven't lifted our teeth yet.
Yeah. Wait for me.
It's nighttime, right?
Yeah, it's nighttime and it's raining, I think.
Yep.
Oh gosh.
No! Let's go inside.
Wait for me! Oh my god. Yeah, wet. Let's go.
Seriously? We brushed our teeth just now.
Yeah.
Now let's go to bed.
Wait, that's mine.
Ah!
That's my teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Yeah.
Oh no, she bounced it.
In the middle of the night, she was screaming and crying. Ah, ah, goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga. What's that noise? Oh, it's our baby sister. There, you take care of her.
Oh.
Stop bouncing. Oh, time for changing.
I just realized we didn't even take our pajamas.
We don't even have pajamas.
I got pajamas.
Well, okay. That's not that's not pajamas, but okay. That's actually for something else. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna be sleeping. Hey!
What is it? Okay, sunny now. You can go play. Ah.
Yeah, but we haven't brushed our teeth or that.
Later.
Can the baby go on? Stop. Oh no. She likes it. Hey, I'm just kicking the baby.
No, I'm not. She's kicking me.
Wait, can she just... She jumped by herself. Wait, stop. She jumped it. Yay. Oh no.
Wait for me. Wait, let's eat something. I know we didn't bath yet, but whatever. Hey,
Or
doggy.
brush our teeth.
We'll do that later.
Can you give me
It's eating.
Yeah.
Oh.
I brought us breakfast. What's the milk bottle? We're just Oh, we finished it. Now we're gonna left our baby here and go brush our teeth. Ah! And where's the bathroom?
Wait.
If you want to download this game, the name called My Play Home Plus.
And it's free.
Yeah. We downloaded it yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Sister, Vinny, I'm talking about.
Okay, guys, our mom actually said we can have a
Water castle.
yeah. I don't know what it called in English, so we just call it water castle.
So that's the end of the video.
Wait, we haven't brushed our teeth.
I know we can do it in part 2.
Thanks for watching.
If-
Bye.
But does anyone want the part 2? If you want a part 2, please tell us.
Yeah, in the comments. Bye.
Bye.